Let's take a walk underneath. First thing I notice is it's got newer springs right there, both sides. Looks like the original rear end. It's got a newer, you can see that barcode up there, but a new exhaust, and looks like stainless steel. And an original type driveline. I do suspect it's been out of the car because we don't have tags on it. At the bottom end, I think those are supposed to be tags where those are. So I don't know when that was out or whatever. I do know it runs well and it starts easily. Front looks good. Everything looks tidy up here. Looks like it got, I don't want to say new brake hoses, but it did get new brake hoses probably in the not too distant past, over here and over there. And overall, the frame's nice. The car looks good. It's not rusty under here. It's kind of an original old MGTD. Overall, looking pretty good. Like a good driver. Okay, then I kind of like to go around with a really light magnet and with a little plastic film on the back. It's obviously it's all steel. It's not a replica. Just see how things stick. Really good so far, no resistance. Clearly it's an older repaint, has a couple bruises. Let's keep going. Up on the driver's side. And this door, it's a little saggy. You got to lift it to latch it. Pretty common with these. Anyway, not bad. There you go.